Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to grow easy upside down tomatoes. Now, tomatoes can be grown upward or in the garden or in containers, but an easy way to grow them is from hanging baskets or any way that you can hang them so that they're growing upside down. And because they are a vine, you can train them to go below the container, and it's really easy. So the key to growing great upside down tomatoes is choose a variety that's smaller. So you don't want the larger beefsteak tomatoes. The smaller variety, like this tomato named Sweetie, is a great choice because they stay smaller and they don't actually fall off, and they'll make more of a hanging plant. And the easiest way to start tomatoes is in a tray, and then that way you can have a great start to put into your basket. And so use great seed starter mix that's really light and has vermiculite or really light dirt or soil, and put that in your container and put just a few seeds in there. Add water and keep watering. And the best time to do it is after the last freeze. So start them indoors, and then that way you can get tomatoes quicker outdoors. And once the plant is growing and you've got a good start on it, make sure it's at least a few inches tall and has at least 3 or 4 leaves on it before you actually put it into your container. And I like to use pretty much any type of hanging basket or a bucket, and I like to reuse my baskets. So in the spring I'll put hyacinth in the same basket I might put tomatoes in for the summer, and that way I can enjoy the container and enjoy flowers for longer, and I'll have spring and summer plants inside. And so you can either put the plug right on the top, and then that way the vinyl actually can train it to grow upside down, or you can cut holes, just use scissors and cut holes out of the bottom and then put the plugs right in there, and then they'll start growing downwards. Or you can do both. Make sure and put it in a sunny spot and give it lots of water, but never let it get too wet as well, and you will have a nice vining tomato that'll give you lots of tomatoes upside down.